What do you think about the statistic Gen Z is the loneliest generation ever?
That's pretty true.
I disagree. I don't think Gen Z is the loneliest generation. There have been generations before. We're just as lonely as ever. It is that we're not really connecting with each other. And what I define as connection, by the way, my name's Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful connections in your personal and professional life. And what connection is you demonstrating that you understand how people feel about their experiences, and you have to demonstrate it in a way that makes sense to us. And that means that you have to open up and stop masking. That means you have to be vulnerable and authentic. That means that you have to spend some time with yourself. And Gen Z is not doing that, and neither did Gen X and those people before them. We really didn't do it on a mass scale. Now we're getting more intentional about doing so. So I would say that we are reaching a point where we're becoming less lonely and more connected, not just because of technology, but because we're actually learning to talk to each other.